Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Surfacing course. In this lecture, we're gonna show how to use a multi-contours to create revolved surface. So we have here counter 1 and counter 2. This is sketch 2. And we have axis 1 and axis 2. And this is sketch 1. So let's go to revolved surface. Let's check this sketch. And let's delete this line. Here, axis of revolution. And let's choose this one. Let's click OK. It's nice to see revolving surface use both sketch counters to create this revolved surface. If we go to section view, we can see that this is not a solid body, this is surface. Inside is empty. Let's exit. Let's go to edit feature. We can also change the axis. Let's go to this axis. And now we got a different shape. As we see, here we can go with a different angle. Let's go with 100 degrees. And now we got something like this. We can also go to direction 2. For example, 50 degrees. And now we have something like this. Let's uncheck direction 2. Let's put here 360 degrees. Here we can see that we have our sketch. And revolved surface automatically use both contours to create this shape. But we can also specify which contour here we want to use in our surface revolve. So here we have selected contours. So let's click here. And now we can choose which contour we want to use. For example, we want to use this one and this one. And now let's click OK. And now we got something like this. If we go back, let's edit feature. Let's click here. And let's check this one and this one. And let's uncheck this one and this one. Now let's click OK. And now we got a completely different shape with the same sketch by selecting sketch contours. Let's go edit. And now let's go here and let's change axis. And now as we see, we have some changes in our shape by only changing the axis. So here, by using selected contours, we can include or exclude each contour separately. So we can just click here, and we can select all contours, or we can select one contour or a few. Let's click OK. So when we use revolved surface, we can use open contour, only one line, or we can use multi-closed contours, and we can choose manually a specific contour. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little useful and helpful.